Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a withdrawal address on your Binance trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Binance application on your device, and once you have logged in using your credentials, you will end up within the homepage. From here, if you wish to add a withdrawal address upon which you can withdraw your funds or crypto, then just tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. From here, tap on the gear icon at the top right, and now you will see the withdrawal address section. Go ahead and tap on it, and now tap on the plus icon at the top right. You can now choose your desired coin or cryptocurrency. Just tap to choose your desired crypto, and once you have selected it, you can now paste your wallet address within the address section. Now this can be your wallet address from any crypto wallet application. So just paste your wallet address for the appropriate coin that you have chosen, and then choose the network. You can choose from the various different networks that are available, which have their own fees. Just make your choice and then choose the origin of the address. If the wallet address that you have pasted is from an exchange or trading app just like Binance, then you will need to choose the exchange option and then choose the appropriate platform. Otherwise, if it is a wallet, then choose the wallet option and then choose which wallet it is. After choosing the wallet that you are using, just press the confirm button, and you can also enter a label for this wallet if you wish. After setting up all of these, you can then tap on the save button, and now your withdrawal address will be added to your account. And now when you are making your trade, any amount that you withdraw can be withdrawn within this wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a withdrawal address on your Binance trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.